Alright guys, if you need to replace a blower motor on your BMW E90, you need to take this tray first. There are two screws, T20, one on this side, one on the other side over here. Unscrew those and we'll get on with the rest. You will need to disconnect the light over here once we take it out. So give me 2 minutes. Okay, here it is. Disconnect the light and connector over here. All done. You can take this one out. There is one more wire. Okay, once you disconnected, here is the blower motor. There is a tab on the side. You pull it down and twist the whole thing and it will come out. You wiggle it out. Okay, we'll get the new part in. Okay, here I got the new one. It comes without the resistor, the controller. So I bought this one separately as well. And it didn't come with the two screws over here, so I took it from the old one and moved it here. Now I'm just gonna put it back the same way. Goes like that, somehow like that, and just twist back into the place. Okay, I've unscrewed this tab over here because it's open, whatever it is. It's hard to get the blower in with that one in. It's just getting in the way all the time. Let's try now to get it without it. Alright, new heater blower is in. So let's try full blast. Good. Seems to be working as it should. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, thanks for watching.